So if I go into my login right now, right, you will see sign up. Okay, and if I click this, you will see that it ends up taking me to the Clerk pre-made sign up page, okay, that they make for you and is linked to your application. But obviously you wouldn't want something like this. You would want something that is related to your application. That's why we have our own sign up and login pages. But rather than be like, okay, at the top I'm gonna add some redirect link to go to /signup, I'm gonna make this the one that ends up taking us to /signup. Okay, so to do that, you need to go into your layouts. Okay, you need to go into your layouts, go into your Clerk Provider, and here you will see a few options. Okay, you'll see a few options. We are going to add a after sign out. Okay, I'm gonna add 3 things. I'm gonna add them on their own lines. Okay, so this is one. Another one is the sign in URL, and another one is the sign up URL. Okay, so the sign up URL is sign up, the sign in URL is login, and after I log out, I've just created a simple verified page which has nothing really in it. It's just some text. Okay, that's it. I'm actually gonna make this a little bigger. Okay, let's save this, and here after sign out, I am going to add the /verified. I'm gonna save this, and my application is gonna reload. And now you can see that it's going to localhost /signup. Okay, if I click this, you will see that I got redirected to my own website's URL and then the /signup, and it's the same for the sign in. Okay, as you can see. So I'm gonna log into my account, which I will also show you that, okay, I didn't add it here, but I will also show you that after, if you want to go to a specific route after signing in, you can do this. You can tell it to go to this route after you have logged in by using this prop. Okay, I'm gonna save this. And now I'm gonna go to now you will see I am taken to my dashboard, and I am also actually going to show you that if we use the user button, okay, so you have the user button, right? So right now, if I ended up logging out, what happened before was I would end up going to localhost 3000, but now I've told it that if I end up logging out of my account, I want to go to the /verified page. So I'm going to do that, and it went to the /verified page, which I know is not the right page to go to after you log out, but I'm just giving you a demo that you can redirect your user anywhere if you specified it in your application. Okay, so you can do this. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. We covered how to redirect from the login and sign up page to the sign up or login page, and also how to redirect after logging in to the dashboard page, and also how to log out and redirect to the verified page or the logout page if you want, or any other URL you might be thinking of. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.